What's the easiest way to learn something new, to really get it into your head? Well, you could research the material, you could go over it again and again, practice, practice, practice. But I think there is a better way, which is to make it more of a conversation, more interactive. But what if you want to learn something that nobody really wants to talk to you about? Well, you can use AI tools, and even if you've never used them before, here is how you can do it. So here's what I do. I open a tool. I'm using Perplexity.ai. You could use ChatGPT or Google Gemini or probably many other AI tools. Even if you've never used them before, I'm using the free version here. Let's say that you want to learn something. Here's what you do. Okay, so first I begin by doing a tiny bit of research, and I might say, well, what do I need to know? So let's say I want to learn about spreadsheets and Excel and formulas and all of that complicated sort of stuff. So what I might do is I might ask a question like, what are some common formulas in Excel that I should learn? So it's going to come back with a list of formulas, okay, to sum, to add things up, average, count, and so on. All right, now I'm going to say, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get you, the AI tool, to quiz me on these. I want you to quiz me on the top 4 tools for Excel, those formulas, and keep a running score. Give me yes, no questions to answer. Okay, so this is how I do it. Very, very simple. It's going to come up with a series of questions, and you could use this to learn anything. Is the VLOOKUP function used for searching for a value in the first column of a table? Can the if function... Wait a minute, this is too many questions. No, I want you to change something. So I'll say, ask me one question at a time and let me answer with a yes or no, and keep a running score. Okay, here's your first question. Is the VLOOKUP function used for searching for a value in the first column of a table, returning, and I'm going to say yes here. Current score is 1. Okay, can the if function be used to perform conditional calculations? Yes. Okay, current score is 2. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm going to get the next one wrong deliberately. Let's see. Is the sum function used for concatenating text strings in Excel? It's not, but I'm going to say yes anyway. And now I've got 2 out of 3. Do you see how this is keeping a running score? A really simple thing for you to learn something and to get the AI tool to quiz you on it. You can do this on your phone as well, especially when you are learning something new, something that you want to memorize or to understand. You get the tool to give you a score, to ask you step by step. And then you can say things like, I got that wrong. Can you please explain? Okay, and then the tool will go in, maybe refer to a video, explain how this works. This is a great way to learn, especially if it's something, a new topic, or you want to memorize things. I found this super, super helpful. I have used it to learn some coding skills, to learn about Australian birds in our area. I've just been doing it to be able to help me get things into my head. It's a really quick way to learn, and you can use any of these or most of these AI tools. I'll include a link in the description to some of the more common AI tools that you can use, and let me know in the comments, is this something that you would like to use yourself to learn some new subject or to go deeper into something that you already know a little bit about?